Hey everybody, I'm Kim with Lazy Boy in Orlando, and today we're going to talk about removing your back on your recliner. Why would you want to remove a back? For 3 very good reasons. Number 1, we can remove these backs so the back and the chair is separate. We can squeeze it into tight spaces, maybe even put it in the back seat of your car so you can transport it. Number 2, if we take this back off, we have access all the way back here so we can get it a nice good clean, get all those crumbs out of there. And number 3, every once in a while, your chair back will come a little loose, so we gotta tighten that up. So today, I have Reggie, our expert, and he is going to help us remove that back and show us how to put it right back on. Are you ready, Reggie?
I'm ready.
All right. All right, so what's the first thing we need to do?
First thing, you need a flathead screwdriver to remove your back.
Good thing he's got one.
Flathead screwdriver.
Okay, so what do we do now?
You would tilt your back forward on a 45-degree angle. There are cam arms on each side. You'll stick your screwdriver under, lift up the cam arm.
All right, give me a shot here. So I'm gonna stick it right in here and lift it straight up.
There you go.
Got it. Now what do we do?
You want to place your chair back on the floor. Usually get behind and pull. Back comes off.
That was nice and easy.
Nice and easy.
All right, so if I got this back off, I'm in 2 separate pieces. They can go in the back seat of my car, but now I can get my husband's crumbs all from in here.
Sure can,
Perfect.
And dust as well.
So now let's say my back had a little wiggle to it. How do I fix that?
Common issues, sometimes with all of the motion of reclining back and forth, your back bracket sometimes comes a little loose. You can tighten those yourself. You will need a Torx 30, a T30, and there are 2 screws on each bracket. So we will get out T30 and tighten.
It's like a surgeon getting his tools.
There are 2 screws,
Okay.
top, bottom.
Perfect.
That's loose, you want to tighten. Give it a few turns. Make sure that bracket gets tight.
So I'm tightening this plate right down to there.
And you try it on this
Oh,
side.
now I gotta do it, huh? All right, let me put this down. Let's see. Ooh, I can feel it tightening right up.
There you go.
Probably should have my glasses on for this. Ooh, that's nice and tight.
Nice
Perfect.
and tight. Now, every now and then, not all the time, your seat swings might become a little loose as well. You want to get behind your chair and kind of slide your seat forward. And you have screws on each side, your left and the right side. You also want to tighten these screws as well.
Is it a T30 also?
T30 as well.
Awesome.
And that's a little loose. So we tighten that.
Okay. So we can get it in here.
There you go.
Oh, thanks. I didn't have my glasses on. I appreciate the guide. Perfect. Nice and tight.
Nice and tight. And just bring your seat back to the neutral position.
Easy peasy. Now, how do I get this thing back on?
To get your back on, you want to line it up on a 45-degree angle. Line up one side, line up the other side. Once you have both sides lined up, pull it back, push it down.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. And with your screwdriver, push your cam arms back down.
Oh, gotta get that screwdriver. Here you go. Perfect.
And your back is locked.
All right, I want to test it out. Can we turn it around?
Sure can.
All right.
Take that.
Thank you. Ah, perfect.